Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Kids Teach Kids.
So, for this lesson, we're doing math. I'm going to circle the symbol that we're going to be using. Okay, it looks like we're going to be using the plus sign. That means we're going to be doing addition equations, and we're going to also be doing addition number sentences. What you're going to need is a paper and a pencil, or a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker. Let's listen to the story problem.
Andy had 50 bracelets. She collected 12 more. How many bracelets does Andy have?
So, we know that Andy has 50 bracelets, and we know that she collected 12 more. Now we're going to add the tens together. So we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 tens.
So we know that 6 tens equals up to 60. Great job. And we have 2 plus 60. And we know that 2 plus 60 equals 62. Great job. Let's move on. Great job.
You passed it. So, let's listen to this story problem.
Mac had 33 rings. She got 23 more. How many bracelets does Mac have?
So we know that Mac has 33 bracelets, and we know that she collected 23 more. So let's add the tens up.
So this is 2, and this is 3. So 3, we're going to count on 3, 4, 5. So we got 5. And now we got 3 plus 3. Let's count on 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we put that together, it equals 56.
Great job. You passed it.
Great job. Keep up the great work. Show this work in school. So great job. Keep up the good work. And don't forget to subscribe to Kids Teach Kids. Bye.